Hello, hi everyone. I'm Rick Kirkham of BusyBusinessPromotions.com, and today I want to tell you something controversial because it gets argued about. SEO is not sales. Okay, SEO can increase your sales one way. Okay, SEO means search engine optimization. So SEO is designed to manipulate the search engines in such a way in such a way to get you higher than your competitor to give you a better chance of selling your product. Now, once the proper keywords are chosen to get you ranking higher for those to increase the chances of you making a sale, the job of SEO is finished. Okay. Now, people are going to put down in the comments and argue with me that no, SEO has evolved. It's now social media marketing, it's now sales. What good is SEO if you can't increase your sales? Different things like that. Let me try to explain that for you. Okay. SEO is a subsection of marketing. Social media marketing, SMM, is another subsection of marketing, and the two go really well together, but they are separate. Okay. So, one way you can describe this is the marketing department sends prospective buyers to the sales department, and the sales department makes them customers. Okay. So, SEO is not sales. Okay. For example, once you've picked the proper keywords to optimize for your website, actually for your web page, because Google actually indexes web pages, not websites. But once you pick the right keywords for your web page and you're finally ranking higher in the search engines and you start making sales, a person with expertise in sales psychology, such as myself, can take the traffic that you have now and increase your sales by increasing uh, the sales copy, by improving the sales copy on your web page. Okay, so just a few examples, like using the word you, talking to your prospective buyers instead of saying all of our customers love us. You would say something like, "You're going to love us like the rest of our customers." Okay, now you did two things. One, you spoke to your prospective buyer. Two, you caused a bandwagon effect. So, oh, good, I'm going to be with a bunch of other people that like this company. That's great. Okay, that's off the top of my head. Okay, uh, I'm actually one of the few people that have expertise in both SEO and sales psychology, which is why I'm trying to get people to understand this differentiation. And I don't know any better way to put it, but if you don't have someone who's very good at both, and a lot of the SEO people, for example, say, "Yeah, I can do sales." Okay, now ask them this: how do I increase my sales? And an SEO person will say, "Well, I'm going to check your keywords, make sure they're the right targeted keywords, and then I'm going to increase your traffic, and that will increase your sales." Yes, that will increase the sales because more people, it's like if you have a brick and mortar store and you get more people that are interested to go into your store. Okay. Now, inside the store, you have untrained staff just taking orders. Okay. Now, suddenly, you have a person like me coming by and say, "Hey, I can increase the sales in your store by training your staff," which I've done that before, by the way. And so I train the staff in sales, And all of a sudden, the traffic that they have now, even though the SEO person increased the traffic, the amount of sales that they have increased proportionately has increased. Okay, and that's because instead of a staff member saying something like, "Oh, you want that? I can ring you up for it." See, they might say something like, "Oh, that's a lovely color for you. Is that the color you want? Or would you prefer this color here? This color here? Okay, great. Do you need more of those for friends? Okay, then let's ring this one up." You notice I never asked if they wanted the item, right? I assumed the sale. That's a technique. And the choice closed. I asked about colors, and I asked if they wanted more than one. So I got them thinking about everything except whether or not they wanted to actually buy the product. Okay, that's an example of sales psychology, sales tactics, choice close, assume sale, things like that. These are just stuff off the top of my head. But once again, SEO doesn't do that. Okay, sales does that. Sales tactics, sales psychology, and that's the difference. You get SEO and even SMM to bring traffic to the website, but then it's the sales tactics that increase your sales with the traffic that you have. So, okay, let's hear it from probably especially the SEO people now that are going to tell me how much SEO has involved and what good is SEO without sales and stuff like that. So go ahead and comment on that. I'm waiting, and I'm also waiting for you to get a hold of me so that I can improve your search engine optimization and your sales. So visit my website or email me, Rick at busybusinesspromotions.com, and I look forward to your email. So best of luck to you in your business. God bless you.